Today I'm reviewing this GE 50 pint portable dehumidifier. This is designed for larger damp spaces like basements, bathrooms, bedrooms, and laundry areas. So I've got mine here in my basement. The biggest reason to choose a unit like this is it's a 50 pint daily moisture removal capacity. You can also plug it in and have it continuously drain. You can see here I have this little drain. I run it along my basement wall down there on the floor, run it back through where my washer and dryer are. And so that one's really nice because it's got that built-in drainage option. So it's useful in a basement because you don't have to keep checking and emptying the tank. It's got two handles here to make it easy to grab and move. This thing is super hefty, like it's going to take a lot. But they also have this water can collect in this 15 pint tank. So here it kind of snaps off. You can empty it manually. It's got a little handle there, which is nice. This is all plastic, by the way. So the controls are super straightforward. You know, the power on. Here it shows you that 70 is saying the humidity in the room is 70%. You can change how high. So I've got mine set for 40 or 45% humidity here in my basement. It's got the fan speed. Low, medium, high. It's really pretty quiet. If you put it on high, you will definitely hear it. So the nice thing also is that it has an automatic shut off valve in the back here. So if that tank is full, it'll help prevent spills or overflows. Like I said, I've got mine there connected. So it's quiet. You're going to hear it, the fan and the compressor, but it's not super overly distracting. So let me just go ahead and play some of that for you, or let you hear what it sounds like. The nice thing is about this unit is that it does plug into a wall, so you're going to make sure you need to put it somewhere that has access to an outlet. So here I've got mine behind the couch.